Hey guys, how are you? Just coming in to share with you my Crumbl Cookie haul for today. I didn't want to buy all the cookies, but I did want to get some of the cookies for this week. Shout out to my besties, Anisha LTV and Kayla Be Fit Now, Kayla Swan. Shout out to my besties, my Crumbl Cookie besties. Guys, this is what I got. I got this brownie. This is the brownie one for the week. It's a cookies and cream brownie for the week. And I have the shout out to this is the key lime pie. So shout out to the key lime pie, guys. So just wanted to try these, guys. Ooh wee. So shout out to all my Crumbl Cookie lovers. Guys, what is your favorite Crumbl Cookie? What is your best? I have not had an opportunity to try all of the Crumbl Cookies, because I have to tell y'all, Crumbl Cookie got me in a serious chokehold, and I be trying to stay away Crumbl Cookie. I be trying, y'all. But once I see my besties, my Crumbl Cookie besties come out here and they share, guys, what they're getting for the week or what they're eating from Crumbl Cookie, I be like, oh man, my Crumbl Cookies calling for me. I can hear the Crumbl Cookie calling for me. So I end up placing my order, say Crumbl Cookies calling me. Oh. I can just hear you calling me. So I end up placing my order, y'all. All right, y'all. Like Crumbl Cookie, Crumbl Cookie. Hello, how you doing? Crumbl Cookie. Play dominoes. Okay, best friends, looking for a handmade pan of stuff in here too. Medium stuffed crust, handmade Parmesan stuffed crust, golden melty cheese in every bite. The box is amazing, guys. The box is phenomenal, but this is what's on the inside, y'all. Say, I hear you calling. Here come Domino's to save you. Oh, guys, get you one of these stuffed. See the cheese on the inside? Oh my God, today. That's all I have for y'all. Until next time, have the most wonderful, beautiful, fantastic day. Love you guys. Enjoy your day. Choose to be happy. Yes. Talk to y'all later. Bye, friends. Love you. God bless you. And shout out to my beautiful bestie, Tierra B. Natural Lee, because I saw you doing your review on Domino's Pizza. I love Domino's Pizza anyway, but I saw you doing your review or sharing that you had a Domino's stuffed pizza, and I wanted one too, friends. So hope you have the most amazing day. Sending lots of love and good vibes your way. Thank you. Love you.